Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be setting up the foundation for a fictional but delicious website called Luigi's Pizzeria. We'll create the necessary files, folders, and prepare the images for our four main pages: the home page, our pizzas, prices, and contact. Let's get started. First, navigate to a location on your computer where you'd like to store your project files. In this case, I'm going to do it right on the desktop. I'm going to create a folder called Pizzeria, and this is going to be where we're going to keep all the files for Luigi's Pizzeria website. Next, I'm going to drag and drop the folder right into Visual Studio Code. I'm going to trust the author. You might get that pop-up. Now that we have our project folder open, let's create the necessary HTML files for each of the four main pages. Right-click in the Explorer section and select New File. First one we're going to create is the index.html file. The index.html file will be our home page, while the others correspond to our pizzas, prices, and contact pages. Call our pizzas page pizzas.html. Call the prices page prices.html. And call the contact page contact.html. Next, we'll create a folder within the Pizzeria folder to store our images. Right-click in the Explorer again and click New Folder and call the folder Images. Now we'll need to download some images to use on our website. You can find the images in my GitHub repository. These were specifically curated for this project. I'll provide links in the description below. Save the images right into the images folder. Download the one for the cheese pizza. These images will be used throughout our website, helping to showcase Luigi's delicious pizza and entice visitors. Great job! We now have the initial setup for Luigi's Pizzeria website in place, including all the necessary HTML files and images. In the next videos, we'll dive into the actual HTML code and start building the content for our pages. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next step in creating our mouth-watering website. Until next time, happy coding.